Hello guys, I trust you're doing well and welcome back to the Scholarship Seekers channel. And so far so good. I believe you've been benefiting from some of the scholarship opportunities which are present in the YouTube channel. So if you've not been benefiting, I think it's high time you subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay, and also like the videos. When you like the videos, it's going to reach out to more and more people who will definitely be interested in this position. Not just liking alone, you can as well share it on your groups too. So I just need to do three things, all right, to let more people know about this opportunity. First of all, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and if you are yet to like the video, kindly like the video for it to reach out to more people. And lastly, what's the last thing I need to say? I remember that. It seems I forgot. So right now on my screen, I'm bringing to you the federal government's tecHERdemy training 2024 for Nigerians. Okay, this is another opportunity being present right here, and all you just need to do, kindly register for this opportunity to be a part and parcel. All right, so these are opportunities for people who seek a place in tech. You want to build your tech skills, you have no idea about tech, you want to go into tech. I think you need to apply for this free federal government tecHERdemy training 2024. All right, this scholarship is absolutely free, or you're not paying a dime for it. All you just need to do is to do what? Apply for it. All right, so let's proceed ahead as we move. Okay, so this application details for this particular scholarship, it's the Ministry of Women Affairs partnering with TD Africa. Okay, I'm sure this is the first time you're hearing of TD Africa. TD Africa is one of the African leading distributor of tech products. Okay, so if you really want to know more about them, okay, I think they have partnership with Microsoft and Cisco. So if you really want to know more about them, I think you can check up this link on my screen, and you get to know more about them. All right, so what is this training for? Okay, if you're interested in any of the skills like cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, and software development, I think this is the best time you can make use of such opportunity, okay, to learn these skills for free. Do you understand? So you have no excuse of, as we are plunging into the digital age, you have no excuse for not learning a digital skill, because most of these skills are coming up for free. There's definitely going to be a time whereby you won't find any of these skills for free. You'll be finding them for an amount, and not just a mini amount, a huge amount. So make good use of this opportunity to do what? To get yourself a part of this training. Okay, so they're going to be training on cybersecurity, data science, artificial intelligence, and software development, depending on the one which you do what you apply for. Okay, so what are the requirements? You must be a Nigerian citizen if you want to apply for this particular scholarship position. You must be a Nigerian citizen. And also females are highly encouraged to apply. So if you're watching this video, you're a male, kindly share it with the female too. Okay, females are encouraged to apply. They want to have a statistics of more females. All right, so you must be a Nigerian citizen, and if you have a sister, a friend who is a female, you can also encourage them to do what? To apply. So what are the benefits? Sorry, let me move this to this side of my screen so it's going to be clear enough. So what are the benefits of this scholarship opportunity? They're going to train you real world training. Okay, so you're going to experience a practical training, not just an online. Okay, it's going to be a physical training whereby you are being taken to a center, a CBT center, whereby they have computers and they organize the training for you. So you're going to have hands-on training. What I mean hands-on training, hands-on what? Hands-on practical training. All right, so, and most definitely and most importantly, you're going to have a job placement. All right, and the assurance for that job placement is 9.9%. So the remaining percentage is your doubt about the job placement. But all I know about this, for every skill you pick, there's no how and there's no way you are good at what you've learnt, and you will not be if they don't employ you. We have lots of companies out there who are willing to employ you, because these are tech skills needed, highly in demand these days. Just imagine someone who is a software engineer. Someone who is a software engineer earns nothing less than $1,000 per month, which is, if you convert it to Nigerian currency, that is over like 1.2 million or so per month. That is if you know what you are doing, of course. So there's also going to be an internship opportunity, all right, for this. Imagine you're learning this for free, and they'll place you on internship, and the internship will be paid, all right, and you likely hit what, unemployment. So I like you to make good use of this opportunity as it comes on deck freely, all right. 3MTT, I talked about 3MTT some time ago. Some people actually applied for it, although then I didn't include it on my YouTube channel. But 3MTT now is currently going their training, so this is another training like 3MTT. So I'd advise you to do what? Key into this, all right. So without talking much, let's proceed ahead to subsequent slides. So if you want to apply for this particular scholarship to learn these skills, this is the link. Okay, I'm going to be providing the link in the description section. Okay, the link to this scholarship will be provided in the description section of this video. So kindly click on the description and you will see the link. Okay, if you're yet to join the WhatsApp group, kindly join the WhatsApp group. If you're yet to join the Telegram group, kindly join the Telegram group. For every update we'll be placing up on our channel, we're placing them on other social platforms. All right, so I'm going to show you how to apply for this. So all you just need to do is to click on this link, which I'm going to make available in the description section of my video. So click on this link and head up straight to your browser. If you're using a phone, good, you can just paste this link on your browser and hit the enter button. All right, so this particular application is being divided into what, a registration session and what, a test session. So we're going to be briefly doing that. Okay, we're going to briefly do that. So I'd like you to pay attention to the application process so that you have an idea of what it takes. So first you need to do is to click that start button. You enter your full name. My full name is Iniobong Emmanuel. My full name is Inobong Emmanuel. Okay, so what's my email address? My email address is what? Captain Obong. Is this safe? What do you want to use my mail for, bro? I think there are better things for you to do instead of looking at my mail. So what's my phone number? 08138223438. So you can contact me on this number if you're having issues with this registration. So you can choose any of the skill you want to. Okay, I'm going for AI software development. So if you're going for data science, you can click on data science. Okay, after that you click the next. After clicking the next, you'll be prompted to take a quiz. Okay, just like a few minute quiz. You answer 50 questions. Okay, like this place I'm seeing here on my screen. What's the basic unit of data in a computer? The basic unit of data in a computer is bits. Okay, so which operating system is primarily used by Apple? Mac OS. Yes, Mac OS is the operating system. Okay, so what's the purpose of a web browser? A web browser is to create websites, to access and view web pages. That's the main purpose of a web browser. Okay, which of the programming languages is widely used for web development? Widely used for web development: Python, Java. Java is widely used for web development. So what's the function of a CPU in a computer? A CPU in a computer does what? Processes information. Are we sure? No. Yeah. What does a neural network simulate? A neural network simulates what? Human brain processes. That's what a neural network simulates. So this is how you're going to do. You answer the questions till you are done. When you're done, you click submit. So I'll be trying this. So I'd like you to pay attention. If this video stops, I'll definitely continue from the next one. So what is the term for computer program that replicates itself and spread itself to other computers? I think that's a virus. So kindly pay attention to the screen. What's the purpose of a firewall? The purpose of a firewall is to protect a network from unauthorized access. Okay, which company developed AI companion to Copilot? I have no idea about this. So I think let me just go for Microsoft. I have no idea about this. So I know some people may want to see, some people may want to find out, is there any shortcut? I know some people may want to find out, is there any shortcut on answering all of these questions? So if you need the shortcuts, okay, if you need the shortcuts, when I mean the shortcut, you want to make sure you get every of the questions being present so that you increase the opportunity of being called for this scholarship. Okay, you can DM me. I just entered my phone number, so just send me a hi on WhatsApp and I'll give you a fastest means you can use to do this. Okay, all right. I'm not encouraging, it's not a cheat, it's never a cheat. All right, I'm just giving you a fastest means for you to do this. So let's proceed ahead. What's the main purpose of a cloud storage? A cloud storage is to store data on remote server. Yes, that's the main purpose of a cloud storage. So this is how you're going to do, you answer the questions. If you want to take my answers, man, my answers are cool because I'm an IT personnel, so I have experienced most of this. What is the term for computer program that performs specific tasks? Their application softwares. Number 16. Remember we're going to answer 50 questions. Which type of network connects devices within a limited geographical area such as home or office? I think that's a local area network. As a local area network. Which of them has a different parent company? Different parent company. What do we mean by different parent company? I think that's X, because Facebook is being owned by Mark, Instagram is being owned by Mark. I think WhatsApp was bought by Marcus. Then it's only X that is being owned by Elon Musk. So I don't know, maybe check that out yourself. So which is the odd one out? Bing, Google, Yandex. Are people still using Yandex? People are still using Google. People are still using Bing. Okay. What's the term for? Let's go to question 19 right here on my screen. You say, what is the? Sorry. Wow. I missed some questions. What is the term for computer program that collects information about users' online activities without their knowledge of or consent? I think that is a spyware or phishing. Okay, either spyware or phishing, something like that. Okay, which of the following is not an operating system? JavaScript is not an operating system. JavaScript is a programming language used for web design. So what does DNS stands for? Domain name server. Yeah, 21 is domain name server. So I'm just trying to answer this question as fast as I can before this time elapses. So which of the type of network is used to connect multiple networks? Multiple networks. I think it's a router. Modem, switch, the router. Okay. So which is the term for a process of converting data into code that cannot be read by unauthorized parties, which that is called encryption? Which of the following is considered a strong password? This is a strong password because it has letters, symbols. Which of the following is a legal regulation for data protection in European Union? I don't know anything about this, but I'm just going to pick any answer. So 26, what is 2FA? What is two-factor authentication? Using two different passwords, two-step process for password recovery, a method that requires two forms of verification for access. Okay, I go with this. What is the primary storage of SQL language? What is the primary purpose of SQL language? SQL language is used for database querying. So let's go down to this. In data visualization, which chart type is best for showing trends over time? I think that's a line chart. So 28 is the line chart. So you can see the way I'm answering this question. So you answer them that way. I'm going to try my possible best to make sure I finish this question before the time. Like you can see on my screen here, I still have like 33 minutes to finish this question. Okay. Which of the following refers to finding patterns in large data sets? Finding pattern in large data sets. I think I should go for data mining. So which of the programming language is primarily used to develop Android application? Android application. Ruby, Swift. I got Java. Okay, let me go for Java. I might be wrong. Which of the following is used to permanently remove data from computer's hard drive? Reformatting, defragmentation, encryption, deleting the files. What does HTML stands for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What is the main function of operating system? I might be a bit fast because I'm trying to meet up with the time I'm being given here on my screen. So if you find out that I'm too fast, please kindly rewind this video to play in a slow mode. So what's the main function of an operating system? To manage hardware and software resources. Okay, so let's proceed with what we have here on my screen. Which of the following is an example of open source application software? Open source application software is an application software that is anybody can use it. All right, Windows 10, Linux, Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Word. Well, I go for Microsoft Word because anybody can use it. Which of the following is a cloud computing platform? GitHub, AWS. I go for this. What does API stands for? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Yes. What is this? Which of this is used to style web pages? CSS is used to style web pages. So these guys expect you to be what? An IT inclined person. So what's the function? What is the function of a proxy server? To make the user IP address, to store large file, to run machine. Okay, I go for that. Which of these following is not a social media platform? Google Drive is not a social media platform, it's an online storage. All right. So which of the command line tool is used to interact with versions? Blah blah blah. I think I go for this. Tell me now. What's the purpose of containerization in software development? I don't know this, but I'm going to check. I'm going to click this. Which company is the odd one out? Huawei, Apple, Heineken. Heineken is a drink company. All right. Heineken is a drink company. What does HDD stands for? Hard disk drive. That's 43. So you can see the way I'm answering these questions. Which technology is used to make telephone calls via the internet? I think voice over IP, something like that. Which of the following file formats are used for image files? Image files is JPEG. All right. So these guys expect you to be IT inclined before considered in networking. Before being considered, let's look at 46 in networking. What does IP stands for? IP stands for internet protocol address. I think there's a similarity between A and D. Okay, sorry, this one is internet protocol. All right, so try to make sure you check out all these things so you don't submit questions that are full of mistakes. So 47 says, what does SSD stands for? SSD stands for solid state drive. Okay, this is it here, solid state drive. So which of these is used to measure internet connection speed? Gigahertz, megabytes per second, kilobytes per second. I think it's gigahertz because gigahertz is a higher speed. So which of the following is a primary function of RAM? The function of RAM is to do what? To temporarily store running apps that the computer is currently undergoing. So 50 says, which technology is used to access the website over the internet? HTTP. What does IoT stands for? IoT stands for Internet of Things. What's the purpose of cache in computing? What's the purpose? To store frequently accessed data for quick retrieval. It's just like your RAM. So which of this is an example of mobile operating system? Android is an example of mobile operating system. So which of the following is an example of two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication, biometrics only, password and fingerprint scan. So after that you can print a copy of your answer after you submit. So I like to submit. After you're done answering this question before the time elapses, please try to make sure you're fast before this time elapses. Okay, so for that reason, some people may like to be asking me what's the fastest way to do this. All right, you can DM me and I'll give you a solution, but that is not a cheat. I'm not offering you a cheat. Okay, it's just a fastest way to do what? To answer these questions, okay, in a couple of minutes. You can see I was able to answer my own before the time. So when you're done with this, kindly click the submit button. So you'll be told your application has been received. Let me check. Let me push this up. Your application has been received. We'll be in touch if you are shortlisted. So this is how to apply for the federal government tecHERdemy training. Okay, so if you have female friends, you have sisters, you have anyone who is a female that is into tech, you can advise them to apply for this particular opportunity. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button for more of this update. All right, catch you. I'll see you in the next video, and I wish you a very nice day. God bless you all.